Hey guys, Alex from Aussie Auto. We've just finished up this motorhome. It has a 560 amp hour lithium upgrade. I thought I'd show you a few of the new laws and how it looks now. So we've got our breaker there for our 240 inverter in this compartment. This is under the bed, which I'll go up inside and show you in a minute. We've got the inverter, our solar controller, our DC-DC. We've got our new fusing for the solar panels and a breaker there for the solar. And then in this sealed box here, we have the 2 batteries and then all the fusing and inverter fusing all there. I'll take you inside for a quick look. So this is all you see inside underneath the bed. We've got the solar controller, the red arc DC-DC and our 3000 inverter. We've installed fans in the side here, right next to the inverter. So one pulls the hot air out while the other pumps cool air in. We've currently got the aircon running just straight off the battery system. And then as far as the user sees, this is all they'll ever operate here. So we've got the Victron multi-control there, and then the battery monitor here. You can flick through for various information on here. So your amperage, kilowatt figure, consumed amp hours, or if you want to keep it simple, the percentage. So that's it, completely off grid, running the aircon. All their standard power points and everything throughout their motorhome will work as if it were just a house. Easy as.